What's up guys, welcome back to the channel, welcome back to the another video. Now many people ask me that how they can change their location in different games and especially in Snapchat. People want to change their location in Snapchat so they can share streaks to their friends from different locations by staying at a single location. And this is crazy and this is actually very creative, being very honest. And spoofing location not only help you to play games just by sitting. It also helps you to, social up your social media game. You can post stuff from different locations. You can post stuff with different filters on Snapchat, and that can make your social media rise up. And not only that, that can make people go crazy about you. Well, different tools are available, but in this video, I'm going to talk about a real basic tool that can help you to do this. Well, that is iToolab. Now I'm going to take you to my desktop screen so you can see how this tool works. Okay, so now I am to my desktop. As you can see, this is iToolab. This is iToolab AnyGo spoof location on your iPhone 17, no matter what iPhone you're using, no matter what Android you are using. It supports latest iOS, it supports latest Android, which is a really nice thing. So you can do that from here. There is definitely iOS app available for this one and also Android app available. Definitely, I will be dropping all the links in the description. The what it is capable of, it can let you change location without jailbreaking your device. You can do fake GPS in Pokemon Go, stimulate GPS movement along with any custom path with a joystick, and you can see you can do lots of stuff with the Snapchat. My favorite part is to change the filters, change the locations in the Snapchat. So how you're going to do is quite simple. So from here, you can need to download this one. And once you download, it's a very easy process, very easy to install, nothing crazy going on. Now, once you download this software, this is how it looks like for the very first. And, from here, you need to start this one. And this is how the UI looks like. And now it is time for you to connect your device. As you can see, it is saying connect your device. No device is connected yet. So I'm going to use my lightning cable over here. And I'm going to connect my device. So I'm going to put lightning cable over here. I'm going to connect my device as you can see. So now my device is connected. And I'm going to just trust this one because, yeah, it is trustable. No issue at all. So once I do that, I will see over here, tap over here and tap on this add button. Now, after that, I'm going to choose what device I have. If in your case, if it is an Android phone, you can go for the Android one. If it is an iOS one, means iPhone, you can go for the iPhone one. Now this is the connected device over here. It is showing up. I will choose this one, go next. The two different modes are available over here. The first one is the Pro mode. You can use this with the help of Bluetooth. The other one is the general mode that you can use with the Wi-Fi or USB. I'm going to go with the general mode because I don't have a Bluetooth at the moment. So I'm going to try out that. So I'm going to get into the general mode. And now it will take a bit and install the drivers. Drivers installed. Now as you can see, my device is over here and it is controlled. Now I'm going to get over here into my device. I'm going to get to the Snapchat, for example. I'm going to get to the Snapchat. I'm going to take any picture over here as you can see. And I'm going to show you the location. And as you can see, it is loading the location. It may take a bit of a time over here. And as you can see, this is how it is showing the location over here on the bottom. And now I'm going to change this location. So I'm going to just delete this picture, abandon this one, turn off my Snapchat. Now coming back to the desktop. Now it is your choice where you want to go. So for example, I'm going to type New York over here. I want to go New York. I want to see filters of New York. I'm going to select New York. And after that, I'm going to tap on this go button. Now it is my choice that which location I want to go to of New York. So this is what I am here in the New York as you can see. Now what I will do is I will get back to my device and I will get into the Snapchat over here. And once I'm in the Snapchat again, I will click a snap. I will tap on this location and now as you can see, it is showing in New York. It will make my friends go crazy. They will be like, man, how you are in New York right now? So it is really cool. And not only that, I'm going to do that again. I'm going to go somewhere else. Let's see. Maybe I can go to Montreal. I do like Montreal too. and I am going into the Montreal, trying to get into the Montreal. And right now I am in the Montreal, as you can see. So I'm going to go again to the Snapchat and share that I am in the Montreal right now. It didn't refresh. I need to, turn off the app for once. That is fine. I'm gonna click a new one, and over here I am in the Montreal, as you can see. Really cool. Love these features. Love this one, and this can make my social media go up. And what again? This is not only about Snapchat. As you can see, there are more options available. So this mode is known as teleport mode. So whatever I show you just is using the teleport mode. The next mode is joystick mode. So I can use this one and I can go from one location to another. I can choose the speed. I can choose my movement. I can choose my direction. I can use this also in different games like Pokemon Go and whatsoever. Then there is another mode that is known as two-spot mode. So after that, there is a four-spot mode. It is known as actually multi-spot mode. And in the end, there is another one that is called jump teleport mode. So you can jump between from one location to another really quick, really easily. And you can do using this software. I love this software. Again, the name of the software is AnyGo. Links are given in the description. If you want to show off your social media game, you can do using this. You can play games, do a lot of stuff. And believe me or not, there is no jailbreak required. There's no root required and wide compatibility. And you can do this with so many stuff. Well, this is all from this video. If you enjoyed this video, let me know in the comment section below. What are your thoughts about this? Let me know in the comment section below. And I hope to catch you guys in my next video. Until then, take care. Peace out.